In the world of modern warfare, one of the most powerful and iconic machines ever created by the United States is its main battle tank. A masterpiece of engineering and strength, the American tank has evolved from simple armor to a complex, technology-driven powerhouse designed for dominance on every battlefield. Today, in this video from Tech Region, we dive deep into the story, technology, and capability of America's latest tanks that continue to define global military superiority. From the early days of armored warfare, the United States has always been ahead in innovation and firepower. The modern American tank is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of strategy, endurance, and cutting-edge defense technology. Built to withstand the harshest environments and toughest enemies, these machines combine the best of mechanical design, digital systems, and artificial intelligence to operate effectively in today's unpredictable war zones. Let's begin with one of the most famous names in tank history, the M1 Abrams. Since its introduction, the Abrams has proven itself in multiple conflicts across the world, from the deserts of the Middle East to urban battlegrounds in modern operations. The latest variants, such as the M1A2 SEPV3 and the upcoming SEPV4, are not just updates, they're complete reinventions. The SEPV3 features improved armor, upgraded electronics, advanced power systems, and better networking capability, allowing it to communicate seamlessly with drones, infantry, and air support units in real time. What makes the M1 Abrams truly unique is its powerful turbine engine. Unlike most tanks that use diesel, the Abrams runs on a gas turbine engine, offering impressive acceleration and speed despite its heavy weight. It can reach up to 67 km/h on roads, a remarkable feat for a vehicle that weighs around 70 tons. Inside the tank, the crew operates in a highly digital environment, with screens, thermal sights, and automated targeting systems that make every shot count even under extreme pressure. But America's tank technology doesn't stop at the Abrams. In recent years, there's been a strong focus on next-generation designs like the AbramsX concept, a hybrid electric version aimed at improving fuel efficiency and stealth. This version is lighter, faster, and smarter, with an AI-assisted system that can detect, analyze, and engage threats faster than any human response time. The AbramsX also uses a hybrid drive, reducing noise and heat signatures, making it harder for enemies to detect on the battlefield. Another remarkable development is the integration of drone systems directly linked to tanks. Imagine a tank that can deploy small reconnaissance drones to scout enemy positions miles ahead. This is now a reality with American armored units testing drone tank integration. These drones provide real-time data and allow crews to plan attacks or defenses with incredible accuracy. This combination of human intelligence and machine learning creates a new era of combat readiness. The armor on these tanks is another field of constant innovation. The modern Abrams uses a composite armor system reinforced with depleted uranium layers, making it one of the most protected vehicles in the world. Some variants are being equipped with active protection systems, or APS, capable of detecting and intercepting incoming missiles before they even reach the tank. Systems like Trophy, developed in cooperation with Israeli technology, have already proven successful in combat situations. These layers of protection ensure the tank and its crew have maximum survivability even under the heaviest fire. The American defense industry is also working on new weapon systems to replace or supplement the current 120mm smoothbore gun used by the Abrams. Future versions may include advanced electromagnetic railguns or directed energy weapons, turning tanks into mobile energy platforms that use power instead of explosives to neutralize threats. While these systems are still in testing, they represent the next frontier of battlefield evolution. What's equally fascinating is how tanks have evolved beyond their traditional roles. In modern warfare, tanks are part of a fully networked ecosystem that includes satellites, command centers, drones, and autonomous vehicles. The battlefield of the future is no longer just about raw power, it's about connectivity. Every movement, every shot, and every decision can be shared instantly with other units, allowing for coordinated strategies that were once impossible. Inside the tank, life for the crew has also improved drastically. Modern American tanks feature climate-controlled interiors, digital targeting systems, and ergonomic seating designed to reduce fatigue during long missions. The interface inside feels more like a fighter jet cockpit than a traditional armored vehicle. Soldiers can now rely on augmented reality displays that show navigation, targeting, and battlefield awareness directly on their screens, giving them a major tactical advantage. In training and simulation, American tank crews are also ahead. Virtual reality simulators allow soldiers to practice complex maneuvers, weapon operation, and emergency scenarios without even stepping inside a real tank. This not only saves cost but also enhances readiness for real combat. The same technology is being adapted for remote control and semi-autonomous operations, meaning that in the near future, tanks could operate with minimal human presence inside, reducing casualties while maintaining firepower. When you look at America's tank programs as a whole, one thing becomes clear: it's about maintaining superiority in every domain: land, air, and digital. Whether in the deserts of the Middle East, the mountains of Eastern Europe, or urban megacities, these machines are built to dominate and adapt. They are the result of decades of research, real combat feedback, and continuous modernization. The future of American tanks lies in hybrid mobility, AI-driven combat systems, and greater integration with unmanned technologies. The U.S. military envisions a future where tanks will communicate with robotic vehicles, share targeting data instantly, and execute coordinated attacks without delays. This fusion of human strategy and machine precision is shaping what we can call the next era of ground warfare. In conclusion, the turbo-squid representation of American tanks you see in realistic 3D models today reflects much more than design. It symbolizes the technology, power, and innovation driving modern defense systems. From their roaring engines to their pinpoint accuracy, these tanks tell the story of how engineering and military intelligence come together to protect and dominate. As we look forward, one thing is certain: the American tank will continue to evolve, leading the charge into the future of modern warfare. This is Tech Region, exploring the technology behind power, precision, and progress. If you love learning about military innovations, defense systems, and the science of machines that define modern combat, make sure to subscribe and stay connected for more powerful insights into the world of advanced technology.